you know that during the raining season is the best time for you to come out for that property inspection you're thinking about buying? Now, the rainy season exposed a lot of things about an estate. For many estates in Lagos, the rain brings flooded streets, flooded estates. You have to remove your shoe to enter your house, or you have to use canoe to enter your house, floating furnitures, and a whole lot of many other things like that. And that is why I came out here. It rained here in Lagos, but after the rain I had to find my way to this one bedroom apartment because one of my clients is interested in buying it. Now, as you can see, the whole street is dried, the drainage is functional. That means that you have nothing to worry about when you invest into this particular estate. Now, I will give you my review about this particular estate using my Messi review and the market value. Now, this property is one bedroom apartment, is selling for 60 million naira. Location is Ajah. For this type of property and this location, this is actually a competitive and fair price for you to invest in. It shares close proximity to Ajah, Abraham Adesoya, Ogombo. VGC is just 15 minutes away from here. To have Shombo Tedo, Lagos Business School, and a whole lot more. Now, let's go to the estate title. For the estate title, they saved and secured with a C of O. The building approval has been done, and if you need more information about this, you can reach out to me via the numbers on your screen. I will give you all the details you need to know. Another thing to notice that this estate is a built up estate. Yes, you can see other type of building type around here. The 2-bedroom apartment, 3-bedroom apartment, we have terraces, we have duplexes here. All of that are all sold out. We have people living in this estate, but you can see the serenity, the space, the efficient use of space. The whole place here is really spacious. We have street lights, we have a fully fenced estate, we have electricity, we have recreational facilities right here. So this estate is the right one for you. Now, let's go to the road access into this estate. Now, the road network into this estate is really premium. Currently on the road side of the estate, the drainage system is currently being worked on. The internal road access within the estate is really spacious. Up to 2 or 3 cars can pass here. All the road network within the estate is fully paved and constructed. Now, the parking space also, each unit, each building here can park up to like 2 or 3 cars in front of their home. You see, now the construction of this estate is 100% done and finished. Now you can see it's a pay and parking into your 1-bedroom apartment. This is not where we'll be giving you story. This is not an off plan. This is a pay and parking. So if you have your 60 million naira to drop and to move into your home, you have it right here in Lekki, Pride 1. So now, for outright payment here at Lekki Pride Work for your 1-bedroom apartment here, 60 million naira, you have the opportunity to spread your payment across 6 months, just in case you do not have your 60 million naira. Now, all you need to do is to make 10 million naira down deposit. Then you're allowed to spread your payment across 6 months. Now, the reason why we do not have 12 months is because it is a pay and parking. When we had not finished, we had 12 months available, but now since we are done, you have just 6 months available for you. Now, let's go to the benefits of why you should buy or why you should key into our 1-bedroom apartment. Aside from the obvious I already mentioned, the 1-bedroom apartment is really affordable, trust me, in this location. And for instance, you're buying your first home, this is really perfect for you. The interior really done, good use of quality materials. And if you're buying your first home, this is actually perfect for you. You could buy for rentals here per annum 2.5 million naira to 3 million naira. And for short-let apartment to, you know, earn rental income per night, you could do 120, within the range of 120 to 150 million naira. That is depending on how premium the interior of your one bedroom apartment is touched up and also furnished. And in this part of Lagos, a lot of people prefer to key into what's it called, to key into short-let apartment as compared to hotel, because short-let apartments are really affordable as compared to hotel. So imagine you have bookings for about 25 days in a month. That is good money for you. So if you're interested in this one bedroom apartment, do not delay. We only have 5 units available in the market. So give Mercy a call right now on the numbers on your screen. Let's close this deal together.